This is video discussion 2, and I'm doing mine on chapter 9. One of the terms that was most important in the chapter was emergency preparedness. The entire chapter focused on emergency preparedness, and emergency preparedness is how ready is a community if there would be an emergency. And emergency preparedness is used to protect the health and safety of a community and also limit the amount of unnecessary improvisation during an emergency. You don't want to be scrambling during an emergency and wondering what to do, and that could cause more problems and harm to the community. So you always want to make sure that you're prepared. Another point is preparedness, and that is the process of planning and developing through training, and that is one of a sub-branch of emergency preparedness. And another main point is damage assessment, and that's identifying hazardous boundaries in the community that maybe people shouldn't be going towards because it would damage the safety of the community. I think the muddiest point was it seems like the chapter was emphasizing preparedness within communities, like through different trainings and creating plans, but also it emphasized that you shouldn't be too prepared in an emergency because then people would get overwhelmed, and also the emergency is overwhelming within itself, and if you have these elaborate plans, then most people might not be understanding of what's going to happen. So I'm just wondering where the middle ground is, what's too prepared and what's not too prepared. How do you know when a plan is enough for the community? And I think a class discussion question would be, what role in emergency management in your community do you think you would be best at? What role do you think would fit your personality, and how do you think you would benefit the community?